Today I want to talk about the number one question that we're asked. Why is my popcorn chewy? Well, to know how to prevent it, we have to know why this happens. Stored in each kernel is a small starch circle which contains a small amount of water. As the kernel heats up, the water expands, building pressure against that starch surface. This layer then gives away, causing the popcorn to explode. As it explodes, that small starch surface becomes inflated and bursts, turning that kernel inside out and releases the steam. Now that steam is your main culprit of your chewy popcorn situation. You see, as the kernel heats up, the moisture inside the kernel turns into a steam, which then collects in the pot. This is why you want to use a vented lid or adjust your lid just off of the pot when making stovetop popcorn. That way, all of the moisture escapes the pot. A few other factors could be oil. In the popping process, the oil helps repel the moisture, but too much oil can cause chewy popcorn. Not shaking the pot or heating properly can also cause this problem. If your heat is too low, then that will cause the moisture to leak out, causing the starch to overcook and then it become rubbery. Letting your popcorn sit out could also be the problem. Freshly popped popcorn can absorb the humidity from the air, causing it to become chewy. Last but not least, the easiest way to prevent chewy popcorn is how you store the kernels. Storing properly means you're preserving that moisture level inside the kernel. Keep your kernels in a tightly sealed container or bag in a cool, dry place like a pantry. Don't store them in a fridge, freezer, or a basement. As always, be sure to like and follow us for more tips, tricks, and recipes. Cheers.